welcome back to another Black Lightning review, Amped Up. Tonight's episode, Gift of the Magi. Man, it could have fooled me.
First off, let's just Black Lightning. We never thought we would have to call you into the garage. We just got through with Supergirl in your time.
No. Jefferson Pierce gonna get a switch. We would never thought we'd have to rip this show to shreds.
So soon. Lynn, go get two switches. But we'll get to that.
But wait. Go ahead.
Jennifer, check, make sure she gets the long switch. Don't try to bring that short stuff in. Alright, so Gift of the Magi, sure, whatever. Alright. For this to be a mid-season finale.
This was the mid-season finale?
Yes.
Holy fuck! Are you serious?
Yeah, we are damn. Did you not pay attention to the commercial? It's not coming January 21st.
Oh, that makes it so much worse.
All right. Usually we go by plot point, character by character.
Now we go by pain in our ass.
Tonight, let's just talk about what went wrong with this mid-season finale.
Okay, spoiler alert, everything.
So let's start with our main couple. Ann Farm and Nelly.
Let me.
Go for it.
Ladies, men even, tell me, everything that Khalil did, is this attractive? Is this was hood in the street?
Is this what's getting panties wet?
I need to know.
Is this goals?
What is attractive? What is his attractive quality? Because he's shown nothing.
So if anything, he's a bum dude, but he's consistent.
He bum fuck.
But he's consistent.
Consistently shit.
That's where we are right now.
So hold on. So Khalil is dying this entire episode because he got poisoned like a punk. And the fact that he's sitting there, he was about to die in the fetal position. I want you guys. He was balled up in Jen's lap, like, please, will you stroke my back and tell me I'm pretty. Oh, soft ass cornball.
And once again, it's Jen to the rescue because she got to do it,
and she knows she got to keep her bottom safe.
So it was weak, but I commend Jen for taking down Cutter. Sure, whatever. It happened.
Don't tell yourself that.
It happened.
Apparently, Jen got a new ability that now she can read circuits. Now she can
that ain't new. That's just an enhancement.
so now she's unlocked an achievement where she can see currents, and she was able to see Cutter, who we learn now is a lightweight meta now.
But is she though?
We don't know. There's rumors.
But the whole gist of it is that Jennifer ends up taking down Cutter and finding the cure to cure Khalil, which I don't know how you cure bitch assness.
It didn't reach that part. She just cured the poison.
Can I step in for a minute?
Just for a second.
I just want to point out at least one of two best parts of the episode. The beginning, when Khalil's auntie came up in there, and she said, and I quote, "This bitch came to my house looking like trick or treat." I don't know who that woman is, but she need an Emmy. First of all, she need an Oscar. Give her an American Music Award too.
Classic black woman. And my second favorite, my favorite part of the episode was Passenger 57. AKA Wesley Snipes showing up at the end, just disappeared, killing white folks. He was in Texas just showing out.
Y'all should have started the episode like that.
So let me tell you why that's a disappointment for me. They just threw it in at the end. We have no
left turn.
No clue who this guy is. No clue.
And he may not even be connected at all to the bullshit that's going on. I just figured he another person that
an assassin or whatever.
Yeah, another assassin.
That Tobias has as a hitter.
All right, sure, whatever. So next thing I want to move on to. Okay, so team Team Konoha, whatever we want to call it. Jefferson, Thunder, and Gamby are out looking for the kids.
Oh my God, Jefferson was acting so light skinned.
Homeboy is had to feel that wrong.
Oh, soft booty. I left my calamine lotion at the house, ass. I get and I understand he's a father, and he's trying his best, you know, to reach Jen, who is also stupid. But we're gonna get to that later. But the fact that he was about to expose himself in broad daylight to go fly around and find her, which I'm like, so let me get this straight. Let's say if you did find her, but you're gonna forget about all the people who saw you as Black Lightning and now know that your family's
Fuck's out the window. Fucks are out the window.
Thank God for Gamby and the ass whooping he laid on him. Like, I was actually proud of Anissa.
Yeah.
Because she kept her head together. She had to keep reassuring, like Jefferson was missing obvious stuff. Mm-hmm. Like when they went to the hospital and she saw that the thing had scorch marks on it, and that the thing that it was that there was electrical shortage, and she was like, "Hey, that's what Jen can do." Like without her, Jefferson would have been lost in the woods, and without Gamby, this whole ship would have went down. But those are the two standouts for this episode for me.
Okay, so they kept it together.
Yeah,
interesting. So, okay, going deeper down the rabbit hole. Lynn.
Oh my God.
Man, wow. Somebody needs to like check on her. What is Lan doing? Because somebody needs to be on her, like in her face.
I know what she's doing.
What is she doing?
Wait, first I gotta say, Lid, we believe your drinking is tearing this family. we want you to know that we are your friends and that we love you, but your drinking is the worst part of you. God damn, Lynn.
Is this an intervention?
This is an intervention for Lynn. Keep the bell handy. What the fuck? When she went to go get the hammer, like this man worked at the Waffle House.
He wasn't even doing nothing.
Like he gonna set it off with grits on him.
So,
and then she didn't even hide it well. Like as she was walking up, the hammer was like, that's why he stayed back. He was like, "You okay, bitch?" I get a 20% discount on the Tutti Frutti Fresh.
So that's pancake house.
No, that's Denny's.
It don't matter.
So there's actually something very subtle about that scene that they didn't really address in the show. So Leia grabbed the hammer because she went to go see a convicted felon who just recently got out of jail. So that's why it's smart sense. It makes sense to do something like that. But if you're going to go talk to someone about their kids and the safety of their kids, was it really necessary?
So first of all, it was fucking overkill. That's what made this stupid. What made it overkill is it didn't lead to anything in the scene.
What the fuck could it possibly lead to?
That's why I'm saying it was a subtle class. It was a subtle class thing.
Yeah.
So well, it's not even just that. So here's the thing. I get what he's saying, but there's another level to this. Basically, her getting that gun and going to see him automatically basically says that Lynn believes Khalil's mother about him, and he never had a chance to tell his story. True that he is a convicted felon and everything, but the only story that she has about him is what Khalil's mother says. And he straight up said, she hate me.
Yeah, but at the same time, she went to his job.
Exactly, that's the part that kills me.
So
you know where he works. Why are you taking a gun to the place? It's not like you gonna say, "Hey, bitch, I want to rob you."
But I mean, all of that is wrapped up in that. Yeah. She felt like she was justified in doing that, despite the fact that it was completely out of hand.
Yeah. So yeah, mixed messages, class issue. It was very subtle. It happened. Yeah, not really much more we can say about that because this episode just lingers on stuff.
Like she basically did the same thing that white people do to black men all the time, and that's guilty until
Black people.
proven innocent.
Black people. So one okay, sort of decent thing we got here is a new character. As far as, you know, I like this actor. I like this kid. He was the Blue Ranger in the Power Rangers movie, and apparently this lingers on as well. So for some reason, Tobias wants him to work for him, and they're dangling this carrot the entire episode, and we still don't know what it is that he's trying to do.
I know what he was trying to do. He's still trying to get access to the that mysterious suitcase that pretty much insert for later plot when we don't have anything.
He opened it already.
Yeah, but he doesn't know what to do with it.
Tobias may need to be on the list. This is the second young person and another young boy, no doubt, that he quote unquote
cyanide
takes under his wing and does stuff to them.
You don't give nobody $100,000 for nothing.
Like, I don't.
Yeah,
it kind of ruins the villain for me.
Well, here's the thing. At least for me, it seems like he gets young people in particular because when he was young, he was cast out and abused. So he gets young people because in his brain, since he doesn't have children of his own, in his brain, he's going to make them reach the best of their potential. That's what I was trying to get to a couple of weeks ago when he kept trying to make Khalil work and Khalil doesn't work. And that's why I was like, you know, he putting all his time and investment in it and Khalil still ain't acting right.
Which is why he got pissed when Cutter was like, he's about to die.
Exactly. And because for him, it's not just about, oh, I need I need someone strong on my side or whatever. It's about, my father did not do anything for me to mold me into the man I am today. So I am going to be a proverbial father to these children in the streets, and I'm going to mold them to their best potential.
And all they had to do was use that best potential to get what I want.
Exactly.
And so that's why it's not just a physical thing that he's doing; it's a mental thing as well.
Exactly.
So that's what you mean by his time and energy.
Mm-hmm. And you notice he always bases it on like what he thinks they're good at. Todd Green, this new boy, he's apparently really intelligent. Khalil was athletic. I don't know what cyanide was about, but apparently it meant being a robot. That's fine. If she wanted to be a robot when she was a kid, he made her a robot to reach her best potential. But that's what he's all about, because yeah, you don't just go to these limbs. You know, all the calling Khalil a punk and how he weak and stuff, and you know,
that's all Tobias knows as far as what it takes to be somebody.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And at the same time too, if Khalil, another reason why he's so hard on Khalil, if Khalil doesn't succeed, that means he didn't succeed, and he gonna make that shit work. You gonna work, damn it.
Or die trying.
Alright, so all in all, love that synopsis on Tobias. This episode still sucks.
Yeah.
Especially for a mid-season finale. Like, you could have showed a rerun.
But going back to what you said last week, this is what happens when you extend a show.
Yeah.
Like 20 plus episodes is too much.
They should have just kept the Netflix kind of limit, and we would have been fine with that.
Exactly. Like, there's a reason Lynn had the limited time that she had, and all of it was done because they literally didn't have anything for her to do.
Was just wobbling on.
And I think they felt like they had to justify her being on the show.
I thought when she went up in Khalil's house and went up in his room, I thought she was gonna tear that up. That actually would have been a lot more entertaining than what happened after the fact.
Makes me feel good.
All right, so yeah, we'll be back in January. Black Lightning is moving to Mondays, so be on the lookout for our reviews.
Couch next to our favorite TV show, Arrow.
So be on the lookout for that. We may have a different structure because we have to do 2 shows in one night, but we'll definitely get it out to you though. But Other than that, man, this has been a weird season for all the CW shows.
This is a horrible ending.
This has been something. But yeah.
Like and subscribe, look around, and peace.